Unlock your potential today at skillbakery.com.
Welcome to this video on the automated support pipeline. We will explore how to transform IT ticket resolution from manual, time-consuming tasks into a highly efficient, AI-augmented architecture. Manual ticketing is often bogged down by repetitive friction. With 70% of IT tickets consisting of routine issues like password resets, they consume valuable human hours that could be better spent elsewhere. Transitioning from manual processing to AI augmentation changes the game. While traditional ticketing is slow and prone to errors, modern automated workflows provide instant, consistent, and scalable support solutions. The core capabilities of an AI support agent include summarizing tickets, categorizing issues, suggesting resolutions, and drafting responses. This allows a single ticket to be fully handled in under 30 seconds. The first step is capturing the reality of unstructured input. Users rarely provide clean technical data, so AI must bridge the gap between human panic and precise system logic. Step 2 involves injecting AI prompt logic. By using specific action verbs and target output parameters, we can instruct the AI on exactly how to process and structure the data it receives. Step 3 is structured extraction and response generation. Here, the AI completely replaces the manual cycle of reading, thinking, and writing, producing clean, professional communications for the user. In this architecture, the human is no longer the processor, but the final validator. AI handles the heavy lifting, while the human oversees the process to ensure accuracy. This cross-domain processing matrix shows how the same framework can handle diverse scenarios, from payment failures and API errors to user interface issues across different environments. By looking at multiple tickets together, AI can uncover invisible patterns. This allows us to identify systemic root causes and implement permanent fixes, rather than just answering individual tickets. This elevates support to system consulting. Instead of just treating symptoms, we are curing the underlying disease by identifying and resolving the technical root causes of repetitive issues. Let's try a sandbox exercise. Given a raw ticket about an expired password reset link, how would you map the automation sequence of categorization, cause deduction, and response drafting? The deployment playbook suggests a 4-day plan. Start with a processing audit by running diverse tickets through the system. Then develop your master prompt template to standardize your AI's outputs. Scaling modern IT support requires workload decimation through AI, human recalibration toward complex edge cases, and an architecture that supports growth without needing to scale headcount. By moving from manual queues to AI-powered, 30-second resolutions, organizations can achieve a 70% reduction in manual workload, significantly improving efficiency and operational quality.
If you find the video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.